How to clear cache in DJ. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear out the temporary files. First of all, navigate to the place where it is located. Now, simply tap and hold on to it. Now, here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Simply select this eye icon. So here, we are in the settings interface. So this is the place where you can customize and make changes in the app. Now, slowly scroll down. Here on the right bottom, you can see the option called Clear Data. Simply tap on Clear Data, and here you can clear all the temporary files or simply clear cache. So it's up to you. Here I'm selecting Clear Cache and tap on OK. So it will take some time and you're all set. So all the temporary files are gone, and here you won't have any lag. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.